As we reach the midlife years, many of us find ourselves drawn to a more classic, simplified style. And in order to achieve that polished look, you must minimize accessories and choose the ones that you do wear thoughtfully. While jewelry and accessories can add a fun and playful element to an outfit, they can also easily overwhelm a look and distract from the overall aesthetic. By keeping jewelry and accessories to a minimum, you create a more streamlined and polished appearance that's both chic and sophisticated. Choose the accessories that you do wear thoughtfully. Think of small stud earrings, a delicate necklace, a designer-looking handbag, not statement pieces that overwhelm the outfit. Overall, when it comes to jewelry and accessories, less is more. And here's a little insider tip. The only reason the fashion industry is showing you all these belts, necklaces, earrings, handbags, bracelets is because they're trying to upsell you. In other words, they want you to spend more money. You can read more about this at midlifeposhcloset.com, but minimizing your accessories will help you to achieve that classic, timeless, simplified style.